Hello guys, thank you very much for joining in. Hi, this is Ganesh NAYAK. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help students who are preparing for the FRM and CFA exam to clear the exam in their first attempt. Now, I'm going to be talking about how I can help you to prepare for the FRM Level 1 exam in November 2022. Okay, so right now we are sitting in the month of Feb, and from now, how can I help you to prepare for the exam? Okay, for the upcoming exam, which is the November exam. Okay, so primarily the moment you join in, okay, with my course, the live online batch which I run on weekends. Okay, there's one batch which is on weekend, and gradually we will also start one more batch which is going to be a weekday batch. Okay, so weekend batch is primarily from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, and for first and third Saturday, where banking in India is actually operational, so we try to start it slightly late at around 5:30 or 6, so that people get some leeway to come back from office and join the batch. Okay, but my live sessions are not going to start immediately. The moment you join my batch, you will get the video lectures of the content which I have already recorded. That means which I have already taken sessions of. So you're getting the recordings of the live sessions which I have taken. Okay, and what you will be doing is I'll be giving you a study tracker. You will have to prepare using that study tracker in a particular order. Okay, which basically means 3 chapters every single week from now. Okay, if you follow that process in that exact manner, so by the end of June you would have been done with 60 chapters reading from that particular order. And also what is going to be impacted is that when you pay the institute the $950, you would be better prepared. Okay, because you have already seen the content. Okay, so you will start your own reading now by watching the video and reading to the suggested book. Okay, from now till June you will complete one reading, and whenever you're watching the video, you're reading the book, you feel any doubt is there, you write it down in the book. Okay, you'll be also added to the Telegram channel, Telegram group, where you can ask your query. But my suggestion would be write down your doubts, because when I'm going to start my lectures, okay, from May onwards, from May to September, I'll be walking you through the entire curriculum one. Okay, but when I'm walking you, I'm going to be training you in that lecture. But my sessions are going to be slightly fast, because it is expected that you would watch the video and come. Okay, and when you enter the lecture, first of all, what all benefits you have. Okay, so basically you know what all your queries are for a particular chapter. You know whether the chapter is easy or difficult for you. You also know whether a particular paragraph is slightly tricky for you or not. So when you enter the lecture, you come with clarity. Okay, you attend the lecture, I walk you through the entire chapter, it's a revision for you, and then you also ask your queries in between. Okay, so this is the way we will be solving your queries for each chapter as we keep on doing the lectures on the weekends. Okay, and so that is going to be from May to September. So that is where your one preparation is going to happen with me. Okay, your watching of video has already been completed in June. So from July onwards, you will start your revision and start solving the question bank. When you start doing that, okay, you will have your own parallel revision happening, plus the lectures that you're attending, and you're also solving the question bank. So July, August, September is where you will only solve the question bank. Okay, further, okay, when we look at if we have time, okay, you have already completed my set of question bank, which is my chapter wise questions. If you have time, you can go and solve the difficult one, which is bionic turtle question bank, which is also available in the market. You can go and solve those questions, and the solving that you're going to be doing, we will take a call around that point in time for individual students, depending upon my interaction with those students, is that whether we have time to go and solve the entire bionic turtle or only specific question bank of that. Okay, then if once you're done with those type of questions, what you can do is you can do one more revision. Okay, say by the end of October, and you can start solving my sectional test, which is my book wise test, entire quiz for the book. Then I have also created quizzes for certain important concepts, which means, say for example, there are 5 chapters related to futures and forwards. So I've created a quiz only for those futures and forwards. So you can revise those 5 chapters and solve the quiz also. That's going to be one more level of revision and solving of question bank. And then you will do your final revision of all the 60 chapters and go towards the mock. Okay, so the approach is going to be very structured. If you follow the process, you should be able to clear the exam in the first attempt. Okay, without deviating, just follow the process, do the complete reading by June, simultaneously come to the lectures, clarify your doubts, do one revision with me, and then start solving the question bank from July onwards. This is how I can help you to clear the exam in the first attempt. And very important requirement for me when any student to join me is basically that you need to have a complete clarity that you're going to pass the exam in the month of November. Okay, if you are dicey, okay, or if you feel that I will read the content and I will then think and then decide, then please don't join me. Okay, because I want to work with people who are having the clarity that they have the confidence, they have the effort taking ability, and they're confident on the exam also. Okay, they know that they have to pass the exam. Okay, further during the entire process I'll be guiding you, so you need to have confidence on me that I can give you a right direction. Okay, my methodology is slightly different as compared to what you see in the market. Okay, where the very simple difference that you can identify is that people ask you to attend the lecture and then watch the video, because I'm doing it slightly inverted. I'm asking you to watch the video first and then come to the lecture, because you'll be more confident on the content, you'll have more clarity on your queries, and before you make that payment of $950, which is very huge for Indian students, right, or Indian people. So when you make that payment, you have already seen the content, so that is where you would have completed entire 60 chapters reading, and then you're making the fees payment. Okay, so this is how I can help you to clear the exam in the first attempt.